Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your SaaS metrics with ChartMogul step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ChartMogul account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your company metrics. Click on Settings in the left-hand menu. Select Data Sources to configure your integrations. Add your data source by choosing from available integrations. Follow the prompts to connect your billing platform or database. Ensure that all relevant data is accurately imported into ChartMogul. Once your data is integrated, go to the Metrics tab. Review the key metrics available, including monthly recurring revenue. Set up your custom metrics based on your business needs. Click on Add Metric to create specific calculations. Input formulas for metrics you want to track. Use filters to refine your data based on customer segments or cohorts. Regularly monitor your dashboard for any unusual fluctuations. Set up alerts to notify you of significant changes in your metrics. Utilize ChartMogul's insights to analyze trends over time. Implement the best practices suggested in the platform to enhance data accuracy. Consider exporting reports for offline analysis or presentations. Regularly review your integrations to ensure data accuracy remains high. Engage with the ChartMogul community for tips and further best practices. By following these steps, if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.